Today we're going to learn how to make an easy origami turtle. So we're going to learn how to make a simple origami turtle. This traditional origami turtle, or tortoise, is made from one sheet of square paper and easy enough for young kids to learn. So as you've seen, I cut a piece of paper square. Sorry about getting in the way there. But you take it, you want to fold it in a triangle. Then you want to take and I just fold the edge there just to give a nice straight line to be able to cut on. So this way we have a nice square sheet of paper that I'm making right now. That's how you can take a regular piece of paper and cut it into a square. As you see me just do right there. Now I've got a square piece of paper to start with. The first step for folding this is to fold it into a triangle anyway. So technically it's already folded into a triangle. This is a better piece of paper. So we've got our square piece of paper, we've got to fold it in half like a triangle, like that. And then you want to take and you want to fold that right side right to the point, nice and even as you can get it. And you want to take the other side and you want to do the same thing. You want to make sure it's nice and even. With origami, the more even and straight your edges are in your folds, the better your stuff turns out. So now we got a diamond shaped piece of paper now with some flaps here. Sorry about the camera, I'm working on a better setup. You take those two flaps that you've now created and you fold them down nice and even. You want to do them with both. Nice and even. It's all nice and even straight all the way across. It's okay if you get it a little off. The more even it is, the better it looks, but if it's a little off, then whatever, it's more unique. You take this and fold it out roughly like this, just as shown here. Try to make them even looking, just so it looks the same, and so that way it sits better. These are going to be like the feet where it sits on. Then take and once you get these even, you take a pair of scissors for the next step, and you want to cut. First you want to turn it around, and you want to cut just the frontmost layer of the paper. Just the front. Just up to where you folded, where you got that straight line there. Right in the center. Up the center. You want to fold it. You want to cut it right up the center there. I'm going to fold it first to make it easier, so I have a line to cut on. I find out later on it's probably better off that I just wouldn't have made that fold, because it makes it stand better without the fold. With the fold, it makes it so the turtle stands a little bit off. But without that fold, it wouldn't have made the turtle stand a little off. But anyways, now you gotta take and you want to repeat what you did on the other side and fold them outwards. Like I said before, this is going to be like your feet. So just try to match it, make it even, like with the other ones. You want to take your just like that. You want to take one side. You're going to want to fold the top point down of one of the ends. And then fold the top flap back upwards, leaving a small gap. This is a pleat fold. So you want to do a pleat fold to the ends of just one side, just the end of one side. So that way you can make like the head and tail end. So just the head of one side, the tip of one side, fold it in. And fold the top back upwards. You want to fold the left and the right points to the middle. Right to the center. Once you got the left and the right folded evenly to the center, you're going to take and unfold them, and then you're going to fold the left and right points again, but this time you're going to leave a small gap. So I'll show you that here in a second. Fold them, then you want to take and unfold it, and then you want to fold it, but with a small gap in between it. And then finally you can push the left and right sides in again. This will give the turtle a more 3D look and allow the feet to rest underneath the turtle a little bit better. But first, here's the second fold where you unfold it and then you fold it in with a gap, a space. You want to take and now that you have that gap and everything, you want to take the sides along the edge and you want to push the left and right sides in so it kind of pops the center up a bit and makes it more of a 3D look. And it allows the feet to rest underneath the turtle a little easier. We'll flip the origami over to the other side and adjust the legs however you like. You could draw a little face on the turtle as well. You can do whatever you want really, but here's the blank turtle slate right here. I'm just adjusting the legs and adjusting how it is to try and make it sit better. And you see what I mean about the fold in the center? It kind of messes with it now. If I wouldn't have folded that extra fold, it wouldn't have made it have that crease down the center like that. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks. But here's the crayons and stuff like that. Like I was saying, you can draw a face on it. I chose crayons just because it was what was handy and easy. Just quickly draw some color onto this turtle here for you guys. Put some green on here, and I'm not the greatest artist at all, but it's something. You can just draw in the face, some little eyes. A little beak or whatever you want to. You got a little turtle.